Hello kids, myself Smita Asthana. I'm again here with my topic places of recreation. Before starting my topic, till now if you have not subscribed our channel, then press the bell icon, subscribe it, like it and share among your friends. Now let us go with our chapter. Our topic is places of recreation. Student, as you all know that you all like to play games, isn't it now? Yes. So students, after a long work, we feel tired, isn't it or not? Yes. We need some rest and enjoyment. Rest and enjoyment make us fresh and active again. This is called recreation. What it is called? Recreation. Say with me, recreation. RECREATION is a recreation. So we can have recreation in many ways. Children enjoy their free time in different ways. You all are playing games now? Yes, you all are playing different types of games. Now tell me some games name. Yes, Ludo, yes. Hockey, very good. Cricket, very good. So, games are of two types, indoor games and outdoor games. Students, here we will learn about indoor games. Indoor games, the games which are played inside the house are called indoor games. Such as, anyone can tell? Yes, such as Ludo, snakes and ladders, carom, chess, etc. Now, everyone tell me which game this boy is playing? Yes, this is chess. He is playing chess. Chess is indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, indoor game. Very good. Now, second is carom board. Do you like to play it? Yes, me also. So, this boy is playing carom board. So, carom board is indoor game or outdoor game? Yes, indoor game. Next, see what they are playing. Do you know? Very good. They are playing Ludo. Ludo is also a indoor game. Next, I will tell you about outdoor games. The games which are played outside the house are called outdoor games. Acha, which is your favorite game, Neha? Football. Very good. So, Richa, you will tell football is a outdoor game or indoor game? Yes, it is outdoor game. Very good. Now see, this is, which game is this? This picture shows which game? Football. Very good. Football is a outdoor game. Next, this is hockey. Next is cricket. How many of you like cricket? Very good. Many of you. So, okay, let me know who is the captain of Indian cricket team. Very good. Virat Kohli. Very good. Next, here I will tell you some more places of recreation. Students, whenever you will tired, then you want to do something fun, isn't it? So some children enjoy reading storybooks. Are you reading? How many of you? Very good. So it is indoor activity or outdoor activity? Yes, indoor activity. To visit fair. Do you like to visit fair? Very good. So how many of you like? Many of you. Very good. What do you like in fair? Softy. Okay. Next is cinema. Cinema is a popular means of recreation. Do you like to see movies? Yes, so children enjoy seeing movies in a cinema hall. So nowadays, cinema is a popular means of recreation. How many of you like to go on picnic? Yes, do you like to go on picnic? Very good. So go out on a picnic. It is indoor activity or outdoor activity? Yes, outdoor. Very good. Going to hill stations. Tell me any one name of any hill station. Nainital. Very good. Drishti. Do you like Nainital? Okay. Next, watch television. How many of you like to watch television? Everyone. Do all are watching television, na? Which cartoon character do you like? Doraemon. Very good. But less less time you will watch television, okay? Because it affects on your eyes also. Next, see students. Achha, now tell me which scene is this? What they are doing? This is Joker. Yes, this is Joker. So they are in circus. Circus is also a place of recreation. Next, zoo. How many of you went zoo? Have you seen zoo? What you have seen in zoo? Yes, we have fun watching animals and birds in a zoo. And whenever you will go zoo, you will see many of animals are there. Tell me, who is the king of jungle? Yes, lion. Very good. So this is also a place of recreation. Now the time of some activity. Students, see. Write I for indoor activities and O for outdoor activities. So first is Ludo. Now Richa, stand up and tell me Ludo is indoor activity or outdoor activity? Think. I will call you. You will write on the blackboard. Next, reading books. To visit fair. Chess. Going to hill station. Hockey. Picnic. Carom board. Now one by one this row will come and write down the I or O. If it is indoor activity you will write I. If it is outdoor activity you will write O. Now start. Very good, you all have done. Now see everyone. Ludo is indoor activity. Richa has written I. Is it correct, Neha? Yes, very good. Reading books. Is it indoor activity or outdoor activity? Abhay is written I. Shyam, is it correct? Yes, very good. To visit fair. Is it indoor activity or outdoor activity? Amit has written O. So it is correct, Natik? Yes, it is outdoor activity. Chess. Indoor or outdoor? Anil has written I. So Anuj, you tell me it is correct or not wrong? Yes, it is correct. Going to hill station, sorry. So it is outdoor activity or indoor activity? Yes, outdoor activity. Rama has written correct. Now hockey. Akshat has written O. So it is correct or wrong? Tell me, Ria. Yes, it is correct. Picnic. Shaurya has written O. So tell me it is correct or wrong? Sonakshi? Yes, it is outdoor. It is correct. Carom board. It is indoor activity or outdoor activity? Ria has written I. So, Shreya, you tell me it is correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Let us do one more question. Name any two. You have to write down two indoor games, two outdoor games, and animals that you see in zoo. So now next row. First two student will come and write down one indoor games name. Now second seat, you both will come, Riya and Rama. You will write outdoor games name. Now third row, animals that you see in zoo. Amar and Ajay, you will come and write it down on the board. So they have written. Let us check. indoor games. They have written chess, Ludo. Is it correct, student? Yes, very good. Clap for them. Now, outdoor games. Football, cricket. They have written correct? Yes, very good. Clap for them. Now, animals that you see in zoo. Lion or elephant and elephant. Is it correct? Yes, very good. Clap for you all. You all have learned this properly. Now your homework is write 5 places of recreation on your notebook. Tomorrow I will come and I will check. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.